I tried the Oyikey Microneedle Patches for a few weeks to see if they really live up to the hype. The product claims to use advanced nano-microneedle technology to deliver ingredients deeper into the skin. And I will say, the microneedles are extremely thin and completely painless, which was a relief because I was a little skeptical about that part. The patches do feel comfortable and stick well to the skin, and they are shaped to fit different areas of the body, which makes application easy. After using them consistently, I did notice that my skin felt smoother. And there was a subtle plumping effect, but I can't say it was a dramatic difference in terms of weight loss or contouring. The claim that it stimulates collagen and improves elasticity might be true over a longer period, but in just a few weeks the changes weren't that noticeable. One thing I do like is that it only takes 15 minutes per week, so it's not a huge time commitment and doesn't cause any irritation since it's made with skin-friendly ingredients. However, if you're expecting a miracle transformation, you might be disappointed because the results are pretty subtle. It's more of a skin-smoothing product rather than a serious weight loss solution. The brand does emphasize quality and safety, which is great, but I think the effectiveness might vary from person to person. Overall, it's not a bad product, but I wouldn't say it's a game changer either. If you're looking for something to support your skincare routine, it might be worth a try, but if you're specifically buying it for weight loss, you may want to manage your expectations.